What is up, guys? It's DJ Martini Midwest coming at you with another video for my channel. So today, guys, I have a cool little wrap. I'm going to wrap my PS5 black panels. Now I picked those up too for $30 to replace the white panels that are on the stock PS5, guys. I wanted to do black, and so I picked up these panels, guys, and they look really good. Nice little replacements for only $30. Like I said, I like to find values. I like to review items, and I like to bring them all to you, let them know how hard or easy they are to get done, or how good or not they are. So if you guys like review type videos, please tune into my channel, guys. DJ Martini Midwest Reviews and tutorials, guys. If you like all that kind of stuff, if you like electronics, some zingers, all kinds of item reviews, please tune into my channel, guys. Like, subscribe, and share, and let me know if I help, if I'm helpful, if I bring you guys a good review, if you guys happen to pick up the products and you like them because of watching some of my reviews. Let me know, guys. Thank you guys so much, and please like, subscribe, and share, guys. Let's get into the video, guys. I got some EpicSkin Fortnite wrap for you guys tonight. I thought it'd be a cool little thing to surprise my kids with, big Fortnite players, and it'd be cool to get the PS5 looking a little bit different as well. So I picked up this wrap. It's normally like around $19 I picked it up for $10 because it was damaged. Now, I'm not too concerned about the damage. I've in my past done lots of vinyl wraps on hoods and all kinds of things with you know, electronics and all kinds of vinyl dash kits and stuff like that. So I've definitely know how to use wrap and that kind of stuff. I was just curious how well this wrap works going on to these PlayStations and stuff. So, you know, on how easy or hard it is not to do. So I wanted to bring that to you guys. I don't see a lot of videos on that, so I like to do that kind of stuff. So I'm going to bring you this video, guys, and let you know how they work and how easy or not it is. Now, I'm no professional at all, just kind of like more of like a handyman type thing, where I've been doing it for a while, so I kind of know how to do it. If you guys don't feel comfortable doing this, then don't do it, guys, but it's just a cool little fun little project that I think you can do. It's not too hard, and you know, I've already wrapped one piece just to test it out to make sure I know what I'm talking about a little bit. And it's a little bit of a challenge, guys. This vinyl wrap is very sticky, but it does peel up okay, and it does respond to heat okay as well. So I'll kind of give you guys some tips on how to help you. Now, this will work better if you have a second person that can help you, and I will tell you the tools you need as well. But let me show you the products that we're working with, okay? So first of all, you have to have, of course, your PS5. I don't want to put it on my white PS5 because sometimes when you put vinyl or stickers, they might leave a little residue or something depending on how the quality of the vinyl is. And I didn't want to mess up the white look of my PS5. So I bought these replacement panels. They are black. They have a nice sheen to them. They have all the little knobs and hinges you need to go ahead and replace the other ones. So they are pretty nice. They're only $30. I can't pronounce the name of the company, but I will leave the link in the description. It is basically just a black PS5 cover plate replacement. It's $30 on Amazon. I will leave the link for the company that I purchased this from. I thought it was pretty good value at $30. So, and then if you guys just like the black look, you know, just stock black, I think that's a great idea too. I'm gonna go ahead and put this wrap on it. It is a EpicSkin wrap. Like I said, it's $19. I picked mine up for $10 just because it's damaged, and I'll show you the damages, which will affect the way the wrap comes in, but you can salvage it just a little bit with a little bit of heat too. But you can see right here, here's the vinyl. This is Midas from Fortnite. Pretty cool skin. I mean, the gold and black look is kind of cool to me, and I kind of like it. And I thought my kids would get a kick out of it too. So this is the other panel, guys, and I already wrapped this one. I think it came out pretty good, guys. I did peeling it up. Like I said, it is very sticky, and right where the sticker is up here, the sticker popped off. And when I was trying to peel it up a little bit, you got to be very careful on open spaces like that, because I did tear it just a little bit up there. You can kind of see it if I get really close. Yeah, right there, you see the tear right there. So I did tear it, but like I said, I'm not too concerned, guys. I am going to remove these later. I just thought I'd keep them on for a little while, just for a little change of scenery on the PS5. And I picked it up for $10. So I'm okay with that, but just to let you know, guys, things like that can happen. And I've done this a few times, but like I said, this is really sticky, and doing it by myself, I just peeled it just a little hard and it did tear a little bit. So things can happen, but like I said, you have to really kind of look for it to see that little tear. So I was able to salvage it a lot. And like I said, it had a lot of creases where this was bent. And you can see that it came out pretty solid, guys. It had a lot of creases, and in vinyl you don't want that because it just makes it harder to work with, and you have to get them out. And so I think this came out looking pretty good. Like I said, I've never worked with this wrap. I've never put it on a PS5 plate before, so this is all my first time as well. And like I said, I'm no professional, so like I said, do this at your own skill level. You could ruin it, that kind of stuff. So just know that this one's a little bit challenging. So it's a little bit harder, but you guys could probably do it, guys. I'm just showing you how I did it, because I'm not a professional. Do this at your own skill level, your own risk of damaging your vinyl and stuff like that. So I'm just showing you how I got it done and a little couple tips that might help you get it done. Yep, I'm back, and we're gonna go ahead and get Midas on the PS5 on the bottom half here, guys. I thought it's pretty cool looking, guys, and like I said, it's pretty good value, $18. I got this for cheap for $10 because if you can see, this thing is really crinkled up. It's got all kinds of flaws, and it was really kind of jacked up, and that makes it really harder to do this. But like I said, I'm not too concerned. You can see this, like, oh, look at the side there. This is really bent up, but some of this we can fix, some of it we might not be able to. But like I said, I'm not too concerned. Because like I said, I'm going to remove this later anyways. I just kind of wanted to give you guys an idea how to do this and show you this value of a kit. At $18, I still think it's pretty value, that if you mess it up, you'll be disappointed, but you'll still not be out a lot of money, because vinyl kits are kind of expensive. Also, this is the bottom half of the black faceplate for the PS5. This is the side plate for the disc part, and like I said, I think that they came out pretty good. And so I already did the top part. I'm going to kind of give you an example and edit this a lot to speed it up on how to get this done. I'm not going to show you the whole process, but I'll kind of show you how to get you started. Okay, guys, so the first thing you want to do is, if you have these little wipes like this, you're going to want to take a wipe down and wipe down your PS5 panel, just to make sure there's no dust, no debris. Makes it a little bit easier. Now, some people like to wear gloves too, but that's up to you guys thing. Like I said, I'm not too concerned about this, so I'm okay with not wearing gloves. A couple tools you're gonna need, maybe an X-Acto knife would be nice to pick the edges up of your vinyl. Maybe a pair of scissors to trim things up. Also, if you have a old credit card or something that you don't mind damaging, or a little plastic squeegee like this will help a lot to get those bubbles out. Those are some things you might need. A partner would be nice as well to use as hair dryer, guys. Heat and vinyl do mix together well, and now you don't want to use a bunch of heat and like get right on it, but if you do it from a distance, which I'll show you, you can help mend some of these issues that we have on this. Like I said, like you can see that this got creased pretty good right here. Right here is really bad. This one might not come out, but like little crinkles like this guy over here, we could probably get that out with a little bit of heat. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do that. If you guys have a partner, the partner can do the heat part and tell you when you need heat, and then you can actually use and move the vinyl, and you can just work on the vinyl, and then they can help you with the heat every once in a while when you need it. And if you work like a team like that, this isn't too hard to get done. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this way, because this is the way this is going to go, and then going to kind of just see how they want this to line up. And they did cut this vinyl very, very well, so it's going to fit like perfectly on here. So you're going to want to be just careful on like this corner here, because that's where it's going to want to tear on you. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get a game plan here. I'm going to peel this, and we're going to stick it on the corner first and go up. That way I can kind of line it up, and then we'll squeegee it this way. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this. Now this is very sticky, guys. And like I said, I'm going to edit this video to make it a little faster for you. But you want to peel this up, guys, very carefully. And I did say this vinyl is pretty sticky. Now I'm going to use a little trick here since I don't have any people helping me. I'm going to line this edge up here. Then I'm going to line up this edge here. How close did we get to the top here? Edge here. Slowly start squeegeeing this over. And then I'm going to give it a little heat too real quick. With the heat, you kind of want to remain just a little, probably good 6 inches away, and don't leave it in one spot. And we're going to just keep pushing this over, guys. All right, guys, that was a lot of work, guys, and you can see that it did come out actually really, really good. Right there, guys. It even came in really, really close on the edge there. Probably got a little bit of bubble right here. I can get that out really easy with some heat. So it came out pretty good in my opinion, guys. You can see right here, so it came out pretty good. I was able to salvage some of the scrapes. You can see right here, you can barely see that. Other than that, man, it's pretty clean. Came out pretty good. It was a little bit of a pain to do, but they do come out pretty good. This looks pretty good. I still have to put this little piece on, but I will stop this video. I'm going to get a lot of editing done, and then I will get back to you and show you guys the final product. All right, guys, let's wrap this up, guys. Here's the final product. I think it came out pretty good. Like I said, it did have some flaws. Love the way the front looks. I did have a little issue right here. I tore it, but like I said, I'm not too concerned. And there's some flaws right here, and you know, a couple little flaws there, but I might be able to still get those out. I think it's up to you if you guys like the way the control looks with the stickers. I'm not. I will probably take that off, but overall, I think it's pretty cool. Let's finish this video, positives, negatives, and all that good stuff. So positives, it's really inexpensive, $18 for this skin. Most of them are between $18 and $30. $30, I would be a little bit more upset if I were to mess anything up, but for $10 that I spent on this one because it was damaged and had some little issues. That makes it a little less hard for me to get mad if I mess it up, because it was only $10, guys. And I think it came out okay for being a little bit damaged. It does have some flaws in it, but at a distance, you're not gonna inspect those flaws and think it looks really bad. I think it came out really good, guys. And like I said, if you're just checking it out, it does make your PS5 pop a little bit with the vinyl wrap, and it looks pretty good on the unit itself. I did pick up an extra outer shell case that was black. That way I can go ahead and put the white panels on or the black panels on, and I'm not worried about messing up my white panels, and I can still peel these off the black panels and, you know, clean them up and do whatever I need to do. So I think it's cool to have a replacement panel to mess around with and do things like this to change up the look of your PS5. The kit itself is pretty decent, guys. The vinyl is okay. Very, very sticky, guys. So be careful peeling it back up if you guys make mistakes and you need to peel it up a little bit. Just be careful around, especially the corners, like anywhere in here, or PlayStation logo on top. I did peel up there and I ended up ripping it just a little bit right where my thumb is. You can barely see it, but it's there. And I ended up ripping it a little bit, but I was able to kind of cover it up a little bit with a little bit of heat and getting it really smoothed down. You don't need a lot of tools to do this, just a lot of patience. Like I said, on a 1 to 5, I would say it's probably 3.5. It does take some skill and it does take some effort and patience, guys, but if you take your time and just kind of do it, you'll get it done. You have some heat that will help make the sticker or the vinyl feel a little bit more pliable, guys. What I think of the controllers, I'm not a big fan of the stickers on the controller. I think it just makes it look a little bit cheap, so I'm not a big fan of it, so I'll probably be taking that off, but I do like the way it looks on the PS5 for sure. I probably won't do the stickers and stuff. They do have extra stickers too to put on the actual middle of the PS5, but I love the way the black looks, so I'm going to keep that. Other than that, guys, the shell replacement is $30. It's not a perfect fit like the actual stock white, but it's very acceptable and goes on, stays on, works pretty good, but it's not the perfect fit that the other shells work, of course, because it is a replacement. That's only $30, and then like I said, the skin itself, the stickers were about 18 to 19, will be the normal price, but I picked up on a warehouse deal for 10 because it was damaged, crinkled, and a little bit messed up. So like I said, if you buy something like that, it makes it feel a little bit better if you do mess up, that it only costs you $10 to mess up, and I think it still came out looking pretty good. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it's worth it? Would you guys try something like this? Like I said, do everything at your own skill level, and if you don't think you can do it, let another professional do it or somebody to help you to get it done. But everybody, I think, can do this. It just takes a little bit of patience and a little effort, and take your time. Maybe have somebody help you so you can, one person can mess with the sticker and the other person can use a little heat and help you make that a little bit more malleable. And other than that, guys, please tune into my station if this was helpful at all. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know something that you would do, and if I had any good ideas. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's been DJ Martini Midwest Reviews. More videos to come. Check them out, and we'll talk to you guys later.